Looking for a natural way to boost your energy, support your health, and feel more refreshed throughout the day? Then you need to try Moringa tea. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make it at home using simple ingredients, and I'll also share a powerful alternative if you're short on time. Moringa Magic Supplement, a high-quality dietary supplement made from pure moringa. The link is in the description below. Don't miss it. Moringa, also known as the miracle tree, is packed with antioxidants, essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to support everything from energy and digestion to skin health and immunity. Drinking moringa tea daily can help you feel more focused, fight fatigue, reduce inflammation, and promote a stronger immune system, all without caffeine. To make moringa tea, you'll need either dried moringa leaves moringa powder or a tea bag. Start by boiling 1 cup of water, but don't let it reach a full boil. Around 85 to 90 degrees Celsius is ideal to preserve the nutrients. If you're using dried leaves, add about 1 to 2 teaspoons to your cup. For powder, half a teaspoon is enough. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Once done, strain it and enjoy. Moringa has a mild, earthy flavor. You can drink it as is or add a bit of honey, lemon, or ginger to enhance the taste and boost the benefits. And if you don't always have time to prepare tea, or you want something even more convenient, Moringa Magic Supplement is a great option. It's made from premium quality moringa and comes in an easy-to-take capsule form, giving you all the same powerful nutrients without the prep time. Whether you're looking to improve your energy, support digestion, or nourish your body, this supplement is a smart choice. So there you have it, a simple way to make moringa tea and a powerful alternative if you're always on the go. Feel better, live healthier, and experience the natural magic of moringa every day. Check out the Moringa Magic Supplement now. Link in the description below.